Hello everyone, this is our final presentation of quality management. Our group is Group T7 and my name is Nguyễn Tấn Hiếu and another member is Chang To Thiên Kim. Now I will come up with the first question. According to Thomas Dyack and Paul Keller in 2009, Six Sigma is a statistically based process improvement methodology that reduces the error or defect rate to 3.4 defects per million potential failures by identifying and eliminating sources of oscillation and certainly in business processes. In defining defects, Six Sigma focus on establishing a thorough understanding of customer requirements and is therefore highly customer-oriented. In addition, Six Sigma is the application of scientific methods to design into the operation of system and business process management that enable employees to deliver the greatest value to customer and owner processes. Furthermore, Six Sigma bring the best work performance to you. If there is one theme for us to insecurate in this book, the Six Sigma method is necessary to select, apply, and adapt ideas to fit the needs and urgency of the organization.
The MAIC concept is perfect for fruit, since the MAIC is data-driven method used to improve existing product with a strawberry for better customer satisfaction by drawing a roadmap for problem solving to seek way to set best solution and raise standard to ensure that the problem will not occur in the future time. The MAIC is applied in the manufacturing of a product. So currently, the packaging has some defect. We use we use checksheet as an appropriate quality tool to prioritize defect type to our customer. This below for week number 1, late delivery account for 40 case. Crushed fruit for 12 case. Do not read the standard fruit 21. For week number 2, all number have rise as late delivery rise to 50. Crushed fruit to 35. Do not read the standard fruit to 24. But in the week 3, the third week, the number have decreased as the late delivery is only 20, crushed fruit is 11, do not read the standard is 13, and for the fourth weeks, the late delivery only 5 case, crushed fruit 3, and do not read the standard is 4. Strawberry is a fruit that is very healthy, which contains vitamin C, B9, and kali, and it is also loved by many people from all over the world. But to deliver a fresh fruit, it demands the process to have the least defects so that the farmer has the highest revenue by selling their product. With strawberry to all the region. In this report, we are trying to improve the quality of delivery strawberry from Dalat to all the region. There are many small mistakes that lead to the final result ending up very bad. Strawberry which is easily crushed is considered to be thrown away and cannot be unstamped anymore. So if this happens to a big amount of strawberry, the farmer faces a big loss. This is an unexpected situation but can be improved. At the very beginning step of packaging, the farmer has to do it right. Before that, they also have to collect strawberry in the right way to ensure its quality. Defining the problem. 40% of the total strawberries delivered for nearby customers do not meet the standard. 30% strawberry do not have the quality as ordered. 8% late delivery. and 2 other percent or mistakes. The goal of this project is to decrease 50% unsuccessful delivery to below 20% and reduce 50% cost. The process time is between 4 to 5 months. So we have this SIPOC table to show the process.
Measure the measurement of the input and delivery process. The measurement aims to check whether the strawberries after harvesting are still fresh and clean, as well as having warmth with the product during transportation and consumption. It would be determined by measurement whether the defect occurred during order receipt or during production. Output measurement designed to determine the number of defects for the type of defect that occurred during product control. 1 ton of strawberries after harvest was controlled. Two basic types of defects have been identified by Pareto analysis: mechanical damage, smashing, and pest damage. Output measurement based on my business data during the transportation process each month. There are 30 shipments containing 1 ton of strawberries from the farm in Dalat to Hanoi for consumption. The number of crushed strawberry is 2 kilograms and the number of chances of error in handling shipment is 4. DPMO is to multiply 1 million and divide to 30 multiply 4, and the DPMO is 16,666.67 DPMO. Six Sigma is a metric that measures the process error rate based on the DPMO estimate. According to the conversation table, 16,038 DPMO correspond to a sigma level of 3.625.
In the measure phase, two basic types of defect of the mechanical category were defined: not fresh and clean, as well as having warm with the direct during transportation. Fishbone diagram have to classify the defect into small departments. Collecting process. This is very important to choose the right time to collect the strawberry. This might sound like usual even that doesn't need to put a lot of effort in, but in fact, this decides the later quality of the whole harvest. Collecting at the right time helps the fruit ripe quickly till it comes to the buyer, so wrong collecting time causes the fruit to be crushed more easily. Packaging process. Another problem which arises based on the lack of carefulness, and this is also a technical problem. This is a method to package the strawberry in the right way so that it can be safely delivered to buyer through long way shipping or wrong way of packaging leads to the whole harvest to get crushed easily based on uncertain fashion from the beginning. Worker. The workers who are not trained how to treat the fruit right also ruin the whole process. Or a cat worker who also has a possibility to make small mistakes. This leads to large failure at the end. Wrong transportation. To keep the fruit fresh, the temperature of the environment surrounding it has to be in the right degree. Delivering strawberry from one region to in a common truck which do not have chiller is also lead to the whole amount of fruit in it is containing to be crushed and cannot be used. So to improve, first in the collecting process, it has to follow this method to improve the collecting process. For all, timing is a key factor, so the right time to collect strawberry is from 7 to 10 a.m. and 4 to 6 p.m. especially strawberry cannot be collected on sunny day. This called the dehydration of strawberry. The perfect weather is when it is cool and dewy. Depending on the need to transport strawberry to which province, it's interprovince. in this case is Dalat. Collect strawberries when it's about 75% of the strawberries are red or pink. If the distance is longer or the region, for example, to Hanoi, the collecting process should be done with the strawberry 20 to 40% red or pink. And when harvesting, it is necessary to gently press the stem of the strawberry and place it in an open basket lined with soft paper. For packaging process, it's very important to classify and pack and research there to avoid drying in the sun, affecting the design and reducing directly to its quality. To research strawberry best for long way delivering, strawberries should be classified into three main types: Type 1, large and beautiful, not damaged by pests or crust. Type 2, beautiful but not big, not pests or crust. Type 3, small, overripe, easily crushed and spoiled. Besides classifying, it's very important to check the quality before and after shipping. This helps to eliminate the damaged fruit. Human research. Workers need to be trained because if they do not have knowledge of how to treat the strawberry in the right way, this causes loss because they keep making mistakes. Skillful workers are needed in many other jobs, not only in this. Finally, is wrong transportation. Choosing the right transportation is also very necessary. The trusted delivery company help ensure the quality of product. We choose Slow Vegan because they know which is the best way to deliver our product. Strawberry with less damage.
Control. After the implementation of this solution into operation, the results were tested and measured for 1 month. After putting this solution into actions, the results were tested and measured for the 1 month of shipping of 1 ton of strawberry after harvest was controlled. The number of crushed strawberries was reduced from 2 kilograms. After determining the real cause of the problem from improvement happened almost immediately and reduced the number of crushed strawberries to 1 kilogram. The indicator were changed as follows: defects per million opportunities 8,333.33 dpmo sigma level is is 8,333.33 dpmo corresponds to a sigma level of 3.875. The implement of the proposed improvement has significantly helped to reduce the problem of crushed strawberries, damage, and worms. The defect per million opportunity indicator value have decreased from 16,038 dpmo 3.625 sigma to 8,333.33 dpmo 3.875 sigma. The sigma level has improved approximately by 0.25 sigma. Now I will come up with the last question. Based on the time of doing the assessment, we were able to recognize the value of working in a team as well as we hold the belief that teamwork is strongly essential nowadays. There were a number of objects when working in a team during the time of doing teamwork that may be the main culprit leading to the failure of particular organization. Firstly, team conflict is always the factor occurring in a team. However, according to Kuchigowski, the conviction is a group can be solved by making discussion and communication. Then to deal with the problem, our team leader not only share but also distribute on talk activities for every member that can have the chance to contribute directly to the team's performance proposed. Furthermore, for the maintenance behavior of each member, we find that can we solve by making discussion and communication. Besides that, each member should analyze teammates' traits in order to have an appropriate method of interacting with team members. Hence, we have spent more than a week thinking about each personality of my teammates before communicating with them to solve their negative thoughts. Luckily, this approach worked well and we could unite with each other to achieve the same goals. In conclusion, an ability of working in team and having personal resilience is significant important in business nowadays. Thanks for the time of learning university, this skill of mine have been improved and enhanced. With we believe it will bring to us many benefits in our career path. Thank you for your attention.